Today we arrive in Valletta. Valletta is the capital city of Malta. Malta, officially known as the Republic of Malta, is a southern European island country consisting of an archipelago in the Mediterranean Sea. Malta became a British colony in 1813, serving as a way station for ships and the headquarters for the British Mediterranean. Malta is a popular tourist destination with its warm climate, numerous recreational areas, and an architectural and historical monument, including 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Valletta, which is the smallest national capital in the European Union by area at 0.8 km square. Now, we are in the Grand Harbor, located at the eastern side of the capital city of Valletta. It has been a harbor since Roman times. It has several extensive docks and wharves, as well as a cruise liner terminal. A terminal at the Grand Harbor serves ferries that connect Malta to Pozzallo and Catania in Sicily. The court of the Justice Building is a courthouse in Valletta, Malta. It was built in the neoclassical style between 1965 and 1971 on the site of Auberg the Auvergnat, which had been destroyed by aerial bombardment during the World War II. The architecture of Valletta Street and Piazza ranges from middle 16th century Baroque to the Modernism. The city is Baroque in character, with elements of Mannerist, neoclassical, and modern architecture. Valletta features a hot summer Mediterranean climate with warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters with an average temperature above 19 degrees Celsius. Weather will be perfect on the summertime to visit Valletta of Malta on your next destination.